it's meanie. Alright.
Okay. Okay. It's kind of different.
Oh, hold on.
The meaty.
I'm gonna mercy. Also, whew, it's gonna get worse with calibrate, you know. Excuse me. Yeah, she likes fighting. Excuse me. Excuse me again.
I gotta poop.
Nice.
Okay, there we go.
Good. I'm glad. Wow.
See you guys tomorrow. Alright.
What? In the butt?
Healthy person. Except for my allergies, that's you. That fizzy water makes me burp. I shouldn't. You guys can say cougar, yes. Sorry. We're not very close. Sorry. Wow. I'm gonna burp a lot. Someone else and then someone else.
I'm full. Excuse you, chat. Whoops. Whoops. Whoops.
Is car call already?
Simp? Question mark?
You talking on the phone with your girlfriend? I will not stand for this. Chat. Do I take another? Oh my god.
Let's get it.
Oh. Right, Aladdin. To my Disney princess. And they have a million of them. Birthday or something. Excuse me. Sesh. Yeah, I'll take two. Kitchen's closed. Excuse me, that was a big one.
Killing the Instagram game, bitch! Epic. Gaps. I got a boot. Wow.
What's up, homies? He must smell so bad. His sweat and breath must smell like onion and garlic. Oh.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Bruce here. Random guy. Thanks so much for the follow. Thanks for being here. So yeah. God, where's this coming from?